Hey y'all, this is Mrs. O'Connor Vince with another You.DJ tutorial so I can select all these different effects here, and I'm going to show you quickly kind of how we go about doing that. The phaser, again, kind of affects with the filter. Check it out. Notice with a lot of these effects, depending on where you place the mouse in the pad is going to affect the change in itself, especially with this one, right? Where you can hear the difference, whether the filter is going one way or the other based off of where you actually put the mouse.